My father did go to the interview today. They're gonna interview them for the farmer's assistance. Yeah. They got already interview last time. There's a lot of complaint, I think. I don't know. Waray pa, di pa ito pwede kuhaon. Nay! Kamala suka. Kanda mo at suka.
Na?
Sabihin mo,
Na.
hinga ako ng suka kay yung suka, inuwi nyo ata. Sina.
Ay, huwag mong sabihin yun. Bagong-bago ka sa lugar ito.
Gangster. Ko ada ni angkol. De, singala. Nanghingi po kami ng suka. Singa.
Ngayon, kada nanay.
Andalula. Sa. Nahingi po kami ng ano. Hindi, sabihin mo, palimos po ng suka, singa. Nahingi ng suka, singa. Ang suka na red, ah? Kunwaray suka na red and white.
Labang.
What are you lapping at? Hoy! What? I can't wait to have my bath. They are now noticing I look like some haggard. Kana babath later on. Yesterday I wanna take a bath during the night, but yeah. Church? Ay, it's baby. I think I did a mistake. Ano ma, okay ka pa ba dila ma? Galit na ata yung nanay ko. Kain ng kain, sabi niya ata. See, to the plant. I think it's not mature. It's immature. I'm just gonna save it. Yeah. A mature is yellow. Don't tell it to my mom. Kaon kayo ni ma? Ina. Dapat inihiya, igharayo naton yudo lahiya kay napapansin nila. This is the 2 cucumber. I'm gonna put salt. Hi na Yuri. Waiting at the vinegar. Yurean ka na, Doy? I want your revenge on me. Look at that. Kulang pa asin. Need salt. Oh, vinegar. Ah! Men! Cucumber!
Ay, dan mga liso.
Mm. Mas masarap sa ngayon niya kung dagko na. Ah!
Mas maraka.
Mm. It's more delicious when it's big. Ay! The little, it was crispy. Yeah, this one, it's
To.
Bibi! Bibi! Hush!
Bagay.
Eh. Tahan na, tahan.
Ay, are you practicing?
Ay!
Paya, mulog. Ayaw! Dito na kami. Pasyal ko na.
Stop running around.
Na, pasyal ako. Ano hirabang maliligo ka?
not actually doing it. I have a plan. During that time. Di naman, kuhaan malad, imagination ba? Imagination. Just an imagination. Not real. Teenager siya, prego sa'yo? Oo. Sino ma? Nagkuhan na doya? Assignment? Assignment. Huna-huna, lagod. Si mama. I don't like that my mom will be the one to take care of my baby.
I do.
I don't want. I wanted, if I'm gonna have one day, I will be the one to take care of it.
Tijuan, go pa, Tijo.
And then, she can take care of it sometimes. But mostly, I wanted to be the one to take care of it.
Ay, mo pa. Sagad or sagad?
So that I could practice to be a good mom. Who said it you are?
Sagad or sagad?
Baba! Ta? Pwede na ito niya. Benten na ito. My brother, he was telling me that what is much better. This is now the effect of the oil. This oil. This one. During at the eve, I did add it. It's what is it? Smell good too.
Hoy, kang kanini sumat ka nak, Jor. Mawarangan ini.
Then put the shampoo and then a little